nature guy. That's cute. Hufflepuff. Okay. Let's see. 12 huggable friends to collect. Snap, hug, and go. Okay, let's see what I make. Harry Potter, Hermione, Fluffy, Aragog, Ron Weasley in the Quidditch outfit. Ooh, Severus Snape. Ravenclaw, Gryffindor, the Dementor, Cornish Pixie, Hufflepuff, and Slytherin. I like the spider. That's cute. What else we got here? Lion's not bad. And, oh, I like the snake. Hope we get the snake. All right, let's put that over there. Put him right there, okay. I'll go over there. All right, next one. Let's see, where's... Just tear this apart, I think. There we go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. All right. Let's see who we got. Oh, we got the snake. Yes. Oh, wow. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that. Snicky snick. Oh, that's very cute. Got a little scarf. Let's see. It's like, oh, they're like snap bracelets. Okay. All right, so wait, I can do this. There we go. Now it's a snake. Oh, that's very cute. It's the belly. That's that. It's a snake. And then he just curls up. Oh, that's very cute. Okay, that's the same thing. Okay, we got the snake. Hooray. At least we got one of them. And the badger. So maybe if I find more of these, we will try for the spider. Well, it's more of like a tarantula, I think. Okay. And the lion's not bad either. I like the lion. Neat.